What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about AMC and GME and what is creating a downturn on the broader market, and then we're going to check the options flow both in AMC as well as GME. Now this is a very big news coming out of China. Evergrande has defaulted on its debt. Evergrande is one of the biggest real estate builders in China. And a lot of people in China, they have invested a lot of money into Evergrande. Now these big hedge funds, those who betted on Evergrande, now they cannot show Evergrande as a collateral for their short positions. Just like the coronavirus, I think it will take a little bit time, but definitely something is gonna happen in the real estate market. Interest rate hike is one of the threat, but I think Evergrande crisis is gonna be bigger than the interest rate hike. Now this article was released by the street.com, and in this article they were mentioning AMC stock more popular than Tesla, Apple, Amazon and Google. Top meme stock AMC in 2021 featured attraction. In fact, its Google popularity has even eclipsed big tech stocks. But is it worth the hype? So this article tells you a lot. AMC is definitely getting support from all around the world, which is a very bullish news. So this morning, Adam Aron made a tweet. Per Market Watch yesterday, AMC stock had the seventh highest number of Google searches in the US in 2021. Clearly, interest in AMC theater has been incredibly high. So today, Mr. Dr. Marco made an announcement that in one of my last posts, I mentioned that you can hedge against the meltdown by going long on AMC Theaters slash GameStop. Many have asked why. Here it comes now. Citadel, a hated hedge fund, has been shorting companies like AMC slash GME and others. However, in January, these companies received a massive support from Reddit community, buying these stocks in a big way and driving up the stock prices. Hedge funds like Citadel suffered massive losses in the hundreds of millions in a gamma squeeze. Griffin admitted that the short position were now closed. A search of Bloomberg, however, revealed that Citadel not only have failed to cover the short position from January, but those have actually grown exponentially. Citadel can use Chinese commercial paper and bonds as a collateral and receive 100% credit on per value for them. Once Evergrande is declared bankrupt and has a D status, the hedge fund can no longer use the Chinese paper and bond as a collateral. As a result, they are unable to meet multi-billion dollar margin requirement and must see sell shares to cover margins or close the short position. In doing so, hedge funds must buy AMC and GME at any price. Even if the market collapse, AMC and GME shares will soar. Apes, you are going to be filthy rich. The scale of failure to deliver accumulation is a criminal and could pose a systematic risk to the global financial system. If the long position in the blue chip held by these funds are liquidated to meet their margin calls or buyback, it could spell disaster for the market itself. If this short squeeze occur, it could lead to the largest transfer of wealth in the history of market and the liquidation of a number of hedge funds collectively worth trillions. Apes. So now we're going to see the options flow for AMC. By looking at the flow, it tells that people have a mixed sentiment towards the stock. Some people are buying calls, some people are selling calls. Now, this is one bet which is very bullish for the stock. This guy is buying 1000 contracts and this is expiring tomorrow. That means he's going to buy almost 100,000 stock if the stock price goes below $30. Still, we have a bullish sentiment towards the stock. A lot of people have been buying call options, but today, just because of the announcement that came out regarding Evergrande, it created a fear in the market, and the hedge fund got back to their own business of shorting the stock. The short interest has gone up quite a bit. That's on Fintel, it's showing that it's 16.26%, but on the Ortex, it shows it's over 19%. In the last couple of weeks, the shorts have started putting more short positions into the AMC stock. People still have a bullish sentiment towards AMC. Now let's look at the GME. GME had its earning yesterday and it was not in the favor of the company. So there was a downturn on the stock today. The stock was almost down 10%. Now there is a lot of bearish sentiment coming towards this stock. What I think is GameStop is having a very strong support between 140 to $160. And this is just at the market close. Somebody bought a $200 put with 46 contract. He's trying to hedge the position. What I've seen in AMC and GME, these traders, those who are buying these options, they seems to be like extremely experienced. These are not regular Joes. They know what they are doing. Now we just have to wait and see what's going to happen in the market. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the week. Hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.